Metal versus shingle roofs in Florida. Which is really cheaper? A shingle roof in Florida typically needs to be replaced every 15 years, whereas a metal roof can last 40 to 70 years, meaning you would need 3 shingle roofs in the lifetime of 1 metal roof. For a 2,000 square foot home, a shingle roof typically costs between $9,000 and $16,000, while a 5V metal roof for the same home can cost between $14,000 and $38,000. So over a 45-year period, you would spend $27,000 to $48,000 on 3 shingle roofs, or $14,000 to $38,000 on one 5V metal roof. And that's ignoring that shingle roof prices typically increase at least once per year. Another factor to consider when deciding which is cheaper is the durability of your roofing materials. Following Hurricane Ian, FEMA found that 90% of surveyed asphalt shingle roofs installed before June 2015 showed visible damage. In contrast, metal panel roofs in the same pre-June 2015 age group had a 21% visible damage rate. According to an ARA study, a 10-year-old shingle roof has a 50% probability of being damaged during a hurricane. And with how often Florida experiences hurricanes, you could potentially be flipping that coin 3 times in 1 year. While there is no similar study on metal roofs, an IBHS study of over 3,400 homes found that only 12% of metal roofs sustained damage following a Florida hurricane. So not only does a metal roof save money over the long term due to its longevity, but its durability will also protect you from repair costs you may incur with a shingle roof. That's why it's important to work with a roofing contractor who is willing to share their roofing knowledge with you. And we at Pitch Roofing will help you decide what is best for you and your home.